Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Doomsday application for your Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Play Store and then inside the search box type in Doomsday and search. Once you come across the search results, look for this application from igg.com. Now, tap on the install button to begin downloading Doomsday Last Survivors on your Android phone. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your device, and then once it is completed, you can open the game and enjoy. So that's how you can easily download Doomsday on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.